Are you 40 years old, worried about your retirement, and have no money saved up? Well, don't worry. We're here to help you turn things around. In this video, we'll share 7 actionable and practical strategies that you can do right now to start saving for your retirement. So, stick with us till the end, and by the time you're done watching, you'll be ready to take control of your financial future. Let's dive in. Welcome to the Finance Bowl, where we give simple money and investing tips. Strategy 1. Stay positive. So you've reached the big 4 to 0, and you're feeling a bit anxious about not having a retirement plan in place. Well, the first thing you need to do is take a deep breath and stay positive. Why? Because a positive mindset is crucial for your success in creating a secure retirement. You need to believe that it's possible to achieve your financial goals, even if you're starting late. Did you know that many successful people didn't find their true success until they reached their 40s? That's right. For example, Barack Obama, Kris Jenner, Vera Wang, and Samuel L. Jackson all became successful when they were in their 40s. So whoever told you that life was over at 40 wasn't telling you the truth. And there's another interesting fact. Most adults make the majority of their income during their 40s and beyond. That's because at 40, many people are at the peak of their careers. They've gained enough experience to become experts in their fields, which often leads to promotions or raises. This can work in your favor when it comes to planning for retirement. Since you're likely earning more money now than you ever have before, you can put a larger portion of your income towards retirement savings. But of course, this doesn't mean you should just sit back and expect everything to fall into place. You need to be proactive and take charge of your financial future. And one of the most important steps you can take is to get your family on board. Share your plans with them and let them know that there might be some changes in the household budget. This way, everyone understands the importance of saving for retirement and can support each other on this journey. So, remember, stay positive and believe that you can achieve your retirement goals, even if you're starting at 40. It's not just about the money, it's about having the right mindset and taking control of your financial future. With hard work, determination, and the support of your loved ones, you can create a comfortable and secure retirement for yourself and your family. And that's something worth striving for, no matter what age you are. Strategy 2. Get your family on board. Now that you've decided to embark on the journey to a secure retirement, it's time to get your family on board. After all, the decisions you make today will not only affect you but also your loved ones. So how do you go about doing this? Let's discuss some tips on communicating the importance of changes and sacrifices to your family. First, sit down with your spouse or partner and have an honest conversation about your financial goals. Make sure you're both on the same page and understand the implications of the choices you're about to make. This will help avoid misunderstandings and conflicts later on. Next, involve your children in the discussion if they're old enough to understand. Explain to them, in age-appropriate terms, the importance of saving for retirement and how it will ensure a comfortable future for the entire family. Encourage them to ask questions and share their thoughts. This will not only teach them valuable life lessons about financial responsibility, but also make them feel included in the decision-making process. Strategy 3. Create a budget. Now that you've got your family on board, it's time to create a budget. A budget is essential for managing your finances, especially when you're trying to save for retirement. It helps you live within your means and ensures that you're making the most of your income. Let's discuss the importance of having a budget and how to create one that works for you. First and foremost, having a budget allows you to see where your money is going. This means you can identify areas where you're overspending and make necessary adjustments. By tracking your expenses, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions and prioritize your financial goals. To create a budget, start by listing all your sources of income. Include your salary, any side jobs or freelance work, rental income, and any other sources. Next, list all your expenses, including fixed costs like rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance, as well as variable expenses such as groceries, entertainment, and transportation. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, it's time to allocate your money. First, prioritize your essential expenses like housing, food, and healthcare. Then, allocate funds for your financial goals, such as saving for retirement or paying down debt. Finally, set aside some money for discretionary spending, like dining out or hobbies. Remember, the key to a successful budget is flexibility and adaptability. As your circumstances change, so should your budget. Regularly review and update your budget to ensure that it continues to serve your needs and helps you achieve your financial goals. Strategy 4. Clear your debts. With a budget in place, it's time to tackle another essential step in preparing for retirement: clearing your debts. While it might seem counterintuitive, paying off debts before you start saving for retirement can put you in a better financial position in the long run. Let's discuss why it's important to clear your debts and how to approach it effectively. The primary reason to clear your debts, first, is that the interest on your debts can quickly accumulate, hindering your ability to save for retirement. By paying off your debts, you'll reduce the amount of interest you're paying and free up more money to put towards your retirement savings. To begin, list all your outstanding debts, including credit card balances, personal loans, and any other debts you may have. Then, prioritize your debts based on their interest rates. It's usually best to focus on paying off high-interest debts first, as these can be the most expensive in the long run. One effective strategy for tackling debt is the avalanche method. This approach involves paying the minimum balance on all your debts, while allocating extra funds to the debt with the highest interest rate. Once that debt is paid off, move on to the next highest interest rate, and so on. This method can save you the most money in interest payments over time. While paying off your debts, it's essential to avoid accumulating new ones. Stick to your budget and use cash or debit cards for purchases to avoid getting into further debt. Strategy 5. Give your money a job. Now that you've created a budget and cleared your debts, it's time to give your money a job. By assigning tasks to every penny you earn, you can effectively manage your finances and make progress towards your retirement goals. One method to help you achieve this is the 75-15-10 system for spending, investing, and saving. Let's dive into how it works. The 75-15-10 system is a straightforward approach to managing your finances. Here's the breakdown. 75% of your income goes towards living expenses, 15% towards investing, and 10% towards savings. By allocating your money in this way, you can cover your daily needs, build your wealth, and create an emergency fund. Let's start with the 75% designated for living expenses. This portion of your income should cover necessities like housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, and other essential costs. Ensure you stay within this limit to maintain a healthy balance in your financial life. Next, we have the 15% set aside for investing. This is where you can start building your retirement nest egg. Look for investment opportunities that align with your risk tolerance and long-term goals. Diversify your investments to minimize risk, and consider consulting with a financial advisor if you're unsure where to begin. Finally, the remaining 10% should go towards your savings. This money can be used to create an emergency fund, which is crucial in case of unexpected expenses or financial setbacks. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. By implementing the 75-15-10 system, you'll have a clear roadmap for managing your finances and working towards a comfortable retirement. Remember, it's essential to stay disciplined and stick to your budget. With consistency and dedication, you'll soon see the fruits of your labor, and your future self will thank you for it. Strategy 6. Spend smartly. Now that you've assigned tasks to your money, it's essential to make the most out of every dollar you spend. To do this, you need to understand the difference between assets and liabilities and learn how to avoid common spending traps, such as credit cards and unwise purchases. First, let's talk about assets and liabilities. Assets are things that put money in your pocket, such as investments, properties, or business, while liabilities are things that take money out of your pocket, like loans, debts, or high-maintenance possessions. To build wealth and save for retirement, focus on acquiring assets and minimizing liabilities. When it comes to spending, credit cards can be a double-edged sword. They offer convenience and rewards, but they can also lead to excessive spending and mounting debt. To spend smartly, use credit cards responsibly or avoid them altogether. If you do use credit cards, make sure to pay off the balance in full every month to avoid interest charges. Another way to spend smartly is by negotiating prices. This might feel uncomfortable at first, but it's a valuable skill that can save you thousands of dollars over time. From buying a car to negotiating lower rent, there are numerous opportunities to haggle and get a better deal. Do your research, be confident, and remember that it never hurts to ask. Additionally, always be mindful of your purchases. Avoid impulse buys and assess whether an item is truly necessary or if it's just a temporary desire. Make a shopping list before going to the store and stick to it. By being conscious of your spending habits, you'll be less likely to waste money on unnecessary items. By understanding assets and liabilities, using credit cards wisely, negotiating prices, and making mindful purchases, you'll be well on your way to spending smartly. Remember, every dollar saved is a step closer to your retirement goals, so always be vigilant with your spending habits. Happy saving? Strategy 7. Invest in your future. While saving money is a crucial step towards retirement, it's not enough to create wealth. Investing your money wisely can help you grow your savings exponentially over time. One of the most popular investment options is the stock market. When you buy shares of a company, you become a part owner, and your investment grows along with the company's performance. Over time, historically, the stock market has shown significant returns for long-term investors. However, stock investing comes with risks, and it's essential to do thorough research and consider diversifying your portfolio to minimize the potential impact of market fluctuations. Another investment option gaining popularity is cryptocurrencies. These digital assets, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others, have shown remarkable growth in recent years. However, they are highly volatile and can be subject to rapid price changes. If you're considering investing in cryptocurrencies, make sure to educate yourself, only invest what you can afford to lose, and have a well-thought-out strategy in place. To be a successful investor, it's crucial to adopt a long-term mindset. Don't be swayed by short-term market fluctuations or the latest investment fads. Instead, focus on building a well-diversified portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. It's also a good idea to consult with a financial advisor who can provide personalized guidance based on your unique circumstances. Remember that investing involves risks, and there's no guarantee of returns. However, by being diligent, patient, and disciplined, you can increase your chances of success and build wealth over time. Investing in your future is a long-term commitment, but it's an essential part of ensuring a comfortable and secure retirement. By exploring different investment options and building a well-rounded portfolio, you're taking an essential step towards financial independence. Stay dedicated, keep learning, and remember that every investment you make today brings you closer to your retirement goals. Happy investing! It's never too late to start planning for your future, and with the right mindset and strategies, you can still create a comfortable and secure retirement. Thank you for joining us in this transformative journey. We hope that these strategies and tips have inspired you to take action and build a secure future for yourself and your loved ones. Remember, it's never too late to start planning for your retirement, and with the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve the financial success you desire. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please subscribe to the Finance Bull for more money and investing tips. Until next time.